This meditation guides you in a step-by-step process of expanding your inner light, which allows you to build, strengthen, and expand your relationship with your inner God spark, which over time accelerates your spiritual ascension and activates many of your dormant spiritual gifts and abilities. In addition, if you decide it is through this inner God spark that you can instantly transport yourself directly back to true divine God source and bypass the false light matrix altogether upon your physical death. I will include a link to my last video in the description if you wish to learn more about that topic. But for now, let's begin with this powerful guided meditation. Start by getting yourself in a comfortable position. Laying down is best, but sitting up is fine as well. Take 3 deep breaths. You breathe in through your nose, you pause for a second, and then you exhale through your mouth. Do that 3 times. Once you're relaxed, close your eyes and ask your higher self to remove any artificial overlays or implants that have been placed in your physical and energetic fields. If you wish, this is also when you request that you be protected during this entire process. Proceed by taking another deep breath through your nose, pause for a second, and then exhale through your mouth. And with your mind's eye, focus on your heart center. Call on your God spark to show itself. You may see it as a small light, a spark, a flame, or maybe something else that's unique and specific to you. Once you see it, take a few moments to recognize that you are seeing an aspect of Source that is within you, but it is also a higher version of you. Start sending love to your God spark. Acknowledge it by speaking to it in your mind and thanking it for being there with you. Wait to see if you feel something in response. If you do, simply accept the energy as it moves through your body and energetic field. Some people may get emotional during this process, so take your time if you need it. When you're ready, focus on your spark in your heart center and expand it slowly. At first, expand it so that the top reaches your third eye and the lower part covers your navel. As you expand your inner light, say to yourself, I am love. I am free. I am sovereign. I am true God source. Or say something similar that you feel comfortable with. Once you're expanded, Stay here for a few seconds and simply pay attention at how your inner light moves and feels. When you're ready, continue to expand your light so that it covers your entire body or slightly beyond it. If you're not able to expand that far during your first try, that's fine. Don't force it. Over time, you will be able to expand your inner light all the way. Once your light is fully expanded, feel your light flowing in and out and through your body. Feel it as you merge and become one with your God self. During this time, speak to your inner light. Ask questions. Ask for guidance, healing, and so on. If you wish, this is when you instruct and make the conscious agreement for your inner light to instantly transport you back to true source when you experience a physical death. By doing this, your own inner light becomes a gateway that takes you back to source and bypasses the false light altogether. Before moving on to the next step though, take a minute or two and engage or ask your inner light whatever feels right for you at this moment. After you're done interacting with your inner spark, slowly start to bring yourself or bring your light back to your heart center. Give thanks and gratitude and remain quiet for a while. Allow time for integration and grounding if necessary. And when ready, open your eyes. Repeat this process at least once a week to continue building and strengthening your connection with your inner God self. Over time, you will be able to connect without having to go through this very structured process. With that being said, I do want to let you know that it's not uncommon for your inner light to take things into a completely different direction or use a different method once you start to make contact with it. So if your God light decides to do a different process with you, then don't resist by insisting on doing things as I described. Allow your light to be your guide. Thank you.